Tucked away between the villages of Kingsbury and Nether Whitacre lies something truly special. Welcome to the Cottage at Bodymoor Green Farm, a home that blends character with contemporary comfort. Set within a quiet, private complex, this charming home greets you with 2 allocated parking spaces and a gated front courtyard, practical and inviting. Inside, you're met with thoughtful touches throughout, including a handy utility space, perfect for muddy boots and 4-legged friends after long country walks. The main living room is warm and welcoming, with stylish finishes and a cosy log-burning fire to complete the scene. At the heart of the home, we have this amazing shaker-style kitchen, timeless in design and perfect for modern family living. It flows seamlessly into this conservatory that is filled with natural light throughout the year. Upstairs, 2 generously sized double bedrooms offer peaceful places to unwind. The 3rd bedroom works perfectly as a nursery or home office. The family bathroom is beautifully finished with quality fixtures throughout. This isn't just a cottage, it's a lifestyle. Peaceful, private and full of heart. If you're ready to experience it for yourself, get in contact on the details that follow.